The Gawad Mangpus for Ivatan Excellence comes in the form of a statue depicting the chieftain ruler, leader called Mangpus.
In a world before the internet and social media, how do you introduce an unknown place? It is through skillfully captured photographs and articles printed in magazine, for it is true that a single photograph will put an unknown place in the map of visibility and provenance. That is the distinct contribution of our first award this afternoon.
I must say that there is something very humbling about being recognized by one's kaibigan in one's home province. Recognition from people who know the best of me, yet still honor me with the Gawad Mangpus Award for my work. This recognition touches me very deeply.
This woman is undeniably workaholic. Her rich working experiences is a testament of her passion and dedication in serving her roots.
Manuma nakuha ka pa mga ko do makapiliin nga idiyakon takan do atawo apare-pareyan ko pareyan ko do kumakot do addaw iktukto uwa o lijad kunang kayan no makusna as na nukapalaw siya ng Octavius o tawo pare-pareyan takwan niyaya biyay anito ng nagyatang asa ka simbiyan do may pangay do ka punutas so sabi na piyangan as ka patungtung ta sa misyon anito nagyatan do ka biyay tapay.
I am honored to present to you Professor Edwin Winston Ahito Valdez. Professor Edwin belongs to the new generation of scholars who focuses on the study of Batanes history, culture, and society.
I come from a very strange field of study called anthropology. So, as an anthropologist who specializes in studying Ivatan history and culture, my task is an understanding of humanity from the point of view of Ivatans. So whether I write about how we plant ubi, or how we build our houses, or how our ancestors bury their dead, it always boils down to the basic question, what is human?
Kayo pong tatlo ay mga inspirasyon namin sa patuloy na paglago ng Batanes. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga naitulong at maitutulong pa. Ipinagmamalaki po namin kayo bilang kaibigan.